Good day, everyone at home. Thank you very much. This is Raji Oluwafemi, and this is my YouTube channel. And on this channel, you're going to be, learning standard British English. And the name of the channel is Easy Phonics and Phonetics. On this channel, we're going to be learning the mispronounced vowel sounds and even consonant sounds. There are many sounds in British English and the IPHR. These sounds actually help you to pronounce words correctly and in a standard way. In order for you to speak this way, you need to master the rules that actually guide these phonetic sounds. On this side of the world, this Anglophone country, Nigeria, there's some sounds that are mispronounced. So except you master these sounds very well, you may not be able to pronounce the way you're supposed to pronounce these words. You may not be able to speak close to the native speaker of English language. So in this channel, you're going to be learning some mispronounced sounds. Like we have some vowels that are very much mispronounced, and we have some consonant sound that are also mispronounced. So on this channel is going to be the standard one, so that the way you pronounce your words and the way you speak is going to be very close to that standard British English or native speaker of English language. So please subscribe to our channel, press the subscription button so that you can be notified whenever another video comes up. Thank you very much. Happy learning.